Hi guys, so today I will be showing guys how to make exploding sprites, traps, and the new, enemy sprite on Scratch. Of course, adding on to our evolution simulator. So, I already started making the sprite two seconds ago. It's gonna be just a poisonless version of the mushroom basically, but like it would look very similar to the mushroom, but it wouldn't be a mushroom. It wouldn't even be a plant. I'm thinking about making it like, I don't know. I don't know what I want to make it like. And also, the exploding sprites idea is from one of my comments. This is gonna be like a golem or something like that, I guess. Thinking about some kind of floating golem or something like that. Also, in the next video, we maybe we'll be adding mega evolutions. Not sure, but I'm still thinking about it. Not actually very sure though. Now, of course, we have to add some fire coming out of him. I don't know why, but it's always like adding some fire. And then what I like to do is delete some of these and make some of them pointed when I want to make fire. I mean, I don't know why, but I just think it looks nice. Also, it wouldn't be like that much of fire, it would more be like poison sludge. Do you get what I'm thinking? Like a enemy that explodes and like someone, yeah, like actually nah, that doesn't look that good. Anyway, so I guess this could be the poison type enemy. I'll make its arm shorter so it looks like some kind of baby version. On the next version, he would have bigger arms, of course. And I'm thinking some toxic green eyes. And also the dots need to be toxic green. On the third one, I'm literally just thinking just black. Fourth one, I don't even know. Guess a red cap. Or maybe just literally just totally, nah. I guess like darker purple? And then the final one would have grappers. Not sure what you guys are gonna add, but it's definitely better than mine. But it's definitely better than mine though. Not really good at making ideas. And also your names are, even if your designs aren't better than mine, your names definitely are, because I am rubbish at making names. If you don't know, I'm very rubbish at making names. So nah, I don't like those. Doesn't look good. I guess maybe just some stuff like this. Yep, that's good enough for me. Also, of course, something no one would ever think of, yeah. Also, now I want to give it red eyes for some reason. Also, definitely need to change costume 4 a bit more. I think we'll give it red eyes on costume 4. Anyways, I think that's nice. Yeah. That looks nice to me. See? But the problem is that it spawns on the Mushrooms platform, which is not very good. the random position. But then they're still not very good. So this one, clone of myself, for this, we will change repeat 10, I guess, to, yeah, I think it should be 15. Because they don't, and then wait, pick random, 0 to 30 seconds. The first one spawned in, but there's no other one. See? And then now, should we add in the traps or exploding sprites first? For myself, I think the exploding sprites would be easier. So you see this change color effect, right? Instead, where's the... So actually we'll do that after. Yeah, I think we'll do that in the next video, not this video. Because I'm planning to add fighting in the next video. So sorry. If you're watching, sorry. No, actually no. I'll try. So I would tell you how to make the exploding code, but we won't add it. So when clicked. Or you could, I'm gonna do when clicked. But you should do, if you want to explode on death, then instead of the delete this clone. And then at the final part, delete this clone. Change fisheye effect by I think 25. So then repeat 4. Now, next, you would want, I like doing it like this. So take the circle tool and then, wait, we want I'll go with the yellow, yeah. I need them, yeah, like that. And then, next, instead of doing that, we have the outside of being orange. In the final part, we need to change this to yellow. Okay. So, wait, I need to get like a more of an orange color. Okay, this looks quite decent to me. So now, make whatever shape you want. Like, I'm just gonna go with a very simple shape. Whatever shape you want for your explosion. See, and then after that, you only wait. Before that, and then set brightness effect to 0. Set brightness effect to 100. So see. Oh wait, I need to wait first. Wait, 0.1 seconds. No, wait. Should just cost. No, wait. We need to get it to 0, so it's easy for us to see. Then size 500. So now we show him. Oh wait, we need now. Then wait, separate. Actually, let's do that after. Actually, I'll go 0.5. Okay, let's try that again. Why is it not work? Never mind. This doesn't make a lot of sense to me. I guess we could do 5 because that doesn't seem like the biggest size. And then wait 0.5 seconds. And then, sorry, I forgot to mention, now you need to press Alt. Don't open it while pressing Alt, but after you have it, press Alt. So then, okay, see? So then, prepare 3 of these. Actually 4. And then, switch costume to costume 6, which is the first explosion. Costume 7. Finally, costume 8. And at last, delete this clone. Now this should work. Oh wait, need to switch his costume first. Alright, now. Also, I think 0.2 should do. But yeah, it isn't that much of a good animation. Yeah, I'll change all of these. And if you want to make it even better, actually no, 0 should be better. That's exactly 1 tick. So now, 7, 6, and then delete this clue. 0.1 seconds. Now, if I start the game, this would be not working. I think it only wait now. Oh. And then Also, if you're thinking why it's not working on the clones, it's because it's when clicked, not when I start as a clone. So, see? Alright, now it's turned into tomato sauce again. It's not very much of a good animation though. Anyways, actually get rid of this. Also get rid of that. If you're wondering how to get background music, it's here in the sounds. So choose a sound. I'm gonna try and find my favorite one. Where was it again? I think it was dance. No. So once you find one, yeah, that one. That's my favorite one. Okay, I want it to be softer. Okay, so this is how you do it. Forever. No, wait, wrong one. Start, sound, dance, energetic. Which one do you think is supposed to be the one? It's until down, done. So it would be like this. If you did start sound, yep. Start sound is starting it, and this. Also, of course, I need to set this back to. Sounds like the Geometry Dash music. So these will be eating 5 of the enemies it walks through, and then the next enemy it touches, they both die. Or both of them. Anyways, that's topic for the next video. Now we need to add traps. First one to come into my mind is clearly just lava. That's definitely also easiest one to make. Lava pool time. No, wait. Yeah, that looks quite well, but I was going for something like that. Also get rid of the outline. Then when clicked, go to back layer. Actually, I heard this all the time. It's actually the background music. Don't you guys think? Anyways, so go to back layer, go to front layer, and then take that back layer. Okay. And now it's at the back layer so everyone would walk over it. Now go to random position and then also repeat forever. So I'll go create clone of myself. Create clone of myself. And then wait 20 seconds. Actually 60 seconds. So there will be more and more traps. And only lava types are going to be able to survive it. Fire types, nah, they'll just fall into the hole. Even if there's no lava, they'll die because it's a big hole. So, no, actually, yeah. Go just one click of the random position. Glide 60 seconds to random position. So, see, it's very slow, but anything that touches it will get devoured. When I start as a clone, forever, if then, actually I'll make 3 of them. Don't make stuff even hard. Seems like they're all going for the cat dudes. I know, what? I know, captains. Wait. Then, touching lava. 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 If touching lava, then take 2 ores. Lava or lava 2 or lava 3. Okay, so now drag this to the captain. Mushroom. And the Volton. Where? Oh wait, they're actually growing intelligent. They're all dying just because of the lava pit. Actually, these would actually be pit to hell. Actually, no, they won't take damage from it. They won't, because technically they're flying, so they won't take damage from it. And also, of course, except for that, what comes to mind? Except for lava, clearly deep water. See? Deep water pit. has the same exact. Okay, just kidding. These monsters probably are gonna win. But they're actually... No, yeah. They would actually also have. Oh gosh. Josh, run! Run, brother! Run! Quick! Run! Don't let the lava pits get you. Oh gosh! It just devoured the whole... Wait, I need to fix that. 20 seconds. Yeah, I gotta wait 20 seconds. So they don't get destroyed when they start. So they'll have a 20-second immunity to lava. Actually, no. You could add that. In my game, you died from lava from the start. Wanted it. That's what you said. You wanted it. Okay. So dumb. Also, they're extremely slow though. And then I'll actually add a green one too, because I have a good idea. We have Vine. Vine. Water. Okay. So now you may be doing wondering. Water or Vine, then he dies. If he touches lava or water, dies. Even though technically water heals plants. Yeah. But these make it easier. They're not immune to anything. They're literally just walking on lava. So anyway. Now, with the good rock music. Okay. So, right now, it's already been 35 minutes. So, it's time I leave, so see you in the next one. Also, after a bit, you would probably not have like my videos for like 2 weeks because I'm going to Scotland. Bye. Yeah. Also, I already know what I want to add for next video. Guards that guard the base. And also base health. So if one base dies, then all the people die. And I'm also thinking like if one base doesn't die, like if you know bed wars from Minecraft, like if you die you respawn, but then if your bed gets breaked, then you need to kill everyone without dying or you just die. I'm thinking about having that. Anyways, bye. I'm gonna end the recording. Bye.